first go with your single leg hip lift exercise. For the single leg hip lift, we're going to need a dumbbell. So for our first level of our single leg hip lift, what we're going to do is we're going to come on two legs like this. I'm going to pull one leg off the ground. Just going to push my butt up into the air and squeeze my butt. All right. And the key with this is that my hips are in line with my knee, okay, and I'm feeling this in my butt. Should not feel this in the hamstring or in the knee. If that is the case, or in the quad or the inner thigh. If that's the case, revert back to a double leg hip lift until you're able to do that, or just hold at the top. You can lower down, if you're not feeling that in your butt when you go too high, just lower down some. Okay, but all we're going to do is extend up, hold at the top for 2 to 3 seconds, and come down. All right, now for level 2, what we're going to do is we're going to take our dumbbell. And, again, this could be anywhere from 5 pounds to maybe 25 pounds. Doesn't have to be too heavy with a single leg hip lift. The key is that we continue to feel it in our butt versus our hamstring or our quad. If we find that other muscles start to overpower our butt, then the weight is too heavy. What we want to do, put the weight on the side of my hip here, bring the foot off the ground, extend up, knee should be in line with my hips, and come down. And that's how we roll. I'm just pressing through my heel here, just holding for 2 to 3 seconds at the top. All right, now, so for level 3, what I'm going to do is place my back on a bench. Okay, and for the bench, you should probably put like a pillow or a towel or something that can act as a cushion for your back, particularly if you have like a hard surface. If you have a couch or a table, a couch or a chair, something like that, that's going to be a little bit better, but you just don't want it to bore into your back. So for this one, I'm just going to be on one leg, extend my hips up. My knees should be in line with my hips, meaning I don't finish down here. I fully extend. Should feel this in my butt. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds at the top, press through the heel, and I come down. Now to make this harder, I can take a weight, anywhere from 10 to 25 pounds, put this on my hips. Same rules apply. Press through my heel, hip comes all the way up.